this is the ABUS 28950. This is a disc detainer padlock. I think I got it from Amazon. It was like $20. Now, here's the bitting of the key for this one. There is a cut on this one that actually has to be set all the way counterclockwise, and then there are a couple of cuts on this key that have to be set all the way clockwise. I'm going to be using this kind of stick thing to turn all the discs clockwise in order to be able to keep track of the discs. It's really hard to keep track of these discs. I'm going to tension this lock clockwise. So, placing the pick into the lock, I'm going to actually push the pick tip all the way to the back of the lock and work from the last disc inside the lock and kind of work my way out. Now I skipped that very last disc because it's just not binding, and so I went to the second to the last disc, and that one was really binding, and so I set that one and I went back to the very last one and got that one set. And from there I just kind of go onto each disc, moving outwards till the end of the lock. And what you're feeling for is you're basically, when you turn these discs, they're very grindy and kind of sandy feeling, and what you're feeling for is when it suddenly gets really loose and there's kind of like a loose spot. So onward I go till the end of the lock, but I've got to tension on one of those discs that is set all the way clockwise in order to pick the very first disc in this lock, because that's the disc we're tensioning on and it still needs set. And so that's what I do, and the lock opens.